Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be the April Boxycharm unboxing. So as always, I will have the link for Boxycharm down below in case you want to try it, which I highly recommend. So the theme for this month was eye candy, and one of the main things that they put in this box was a full-sized eyeshadow palette from ColourPop, which I am super excited about. But they had, like, you got a choice from, not a choice, but they had 5 different palettes that each person could get. So I am very excited to see everything. Okay, so this is the box. I'm so excited. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to take out is this. This is the Brow Gal tinted brow gel, and this is in the shade Light. So that's what that looks like, and my eyebrows are pretty dark, so I don't know if I'll be able to use this. I mean, I'll try just to see how it looks, but I think this will probably be too light for my eyebrows, but you never know. Next, we have some eyeshadow brushes, and these, what brand are these from? Okay, so these are by the brand SL Miss Glam, and we have a regular eyeshadow brush and then a blending brush, but they are super pretty. Oh my gosh, they're pink and purple. So pretty. So I can't wait to try these. Then we have the Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Mask by Dr. Brandt. And I love face masks, so very excited to try this. And also, anything that I've tried from Dr. Brandt I have loved, so very happy about that. Next, there is a MAC lipstick, which I am so happy that I got this. It was either you could get a MAC lipstick or a liquid highlighter from TARTE, and I would have been happy with both, but I'm really happy that I got the MAC lipstick. So this is one of their Lip Tensity lipsticks, and I got the shade Burnt Violet. So this is the packaging. Super pretty. And this is the color. So this is definitely like a fall winter kind of color. Oh yeah. That reminds me of Rebel by MAC. Very pretty though. This is like the perfect fall color. See, the packaging on this looks brown, but then the lipstick itself is a purple. Very deceiving. And then the eyeshadow palettes from ColourPop, I got Element of Surprise. So this is the packaging. It is super cute, very like spring summery. And this is the palette. The colors are so pretty. Oh my gosh. This one color here keeps drawing my attention. Oh my god. Okay, that is such a pretty, like, iridescent color. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see it on camera, but it is super pretty. That's the swatch on my finger. And what shade is that? That's in the shade Opulent. So I pretty much love all the colors in this palette. The shimmers are beautiful, and the mattes are great colors. So very happy with this, and I've never tried ColourPop eyeshadows, so I'm very curious to see how they're gonna work out and if I'm gonna like them or not. So that is everything that was in this box. Super excited. The only thing is the brow product. I really think is going to be too light for me, so I don't think I'm going to get any use out of it. And also the lipstick I absolutely love, but it's not a very spring summery color, so I'll have to wait till like the fall and winter to wear it, but I still love the color. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.